Something real light. What's good, YouTubers? Your boy SGM Cash Out King, and I'm back with another video. It's a cold day. Look, cold day, but I'm out here on my grind. Like I said, hopefully y'all checked out my last video. I'm back on YouTube because YouTube is on easy mode, and that's what the updates and the YouTube was pushing out. So it was only right for me to come back. Besides, my resume speaks for itself. You know what I mean? My resume speaks for itself. So y'all can check out the videos. If you ain't subscribed, consider subscribing because I got a lot on the way. Like I said, I've been doing this YouTube shit for like 12 years. I've been getting money on YouTube for like the last 7 years. On the last I got 2 channels monetized, and like I said, I got another one on the way it's gonna be monetized soon. But like I said, I got 2 of them monetized. YouTube does pay out once a month, and they pay out once a month, and they pay out every 21st. You know what I'm saying? So today is the 22nd of January, which this video will be posted today. And I'm going to show you. You see what this says right here? You see what they say right here? You see what that say right there? Chase Bank. Let me show y'all guys right here. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me show you if YouTube is on easy mode. Let me show y'all. Hold up. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? 'Cause I can't see the screen. I'm trying to duck and weave. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see? Can y'all see all the blue faces in there? You see all those blue faces? Y'all see that? I hope this motivates you. Hold on, let me put it on this way. I hope this motivates y'all. You know what I'm saying? What did it say right there? That 10-pack right there, man. What did it say right there? Hold on 1 second, man. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna take out the receipt, but make sure none of my information. Hold on. Did I drop the receipt? Hold on, I dropped the receipt. Oh, it's right here. Oh, never mind. The receipt was right in here the whole time. Man, like I said, these damn shades, man. But hold on, let me check, make sure none of my information is showing, even though a little bit of my card thing is showing right there. But let me try to hold on. Let me try to put it up here where y'all can see. Hold on. Let me try to put it up here where y'all can see right there. Hold on, right there. See what that say, that 10-pack? I took $20. I wanted to get something to eat. I think I deserve that, right? I think I deserve that. Hold on. I deserve that, right? Deserve that. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, YouTube is on easy mode. You know what I mean? You got to put in the grind. Like I said, I know y'all been seeing videos like that. And I'm here to say, even though I'm saying that right now, it's not on easy mode to the point where, all right, I just post one video and that's it. It don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? But you need to put in the work. I can tell you that. You see me? Look, you see my breath? You see how cold it is? It's 8 degrees out here in New York. Today is January 22nd, and this video is going up today. For whatever reason, it jumped on to the 23rd. It's because YouTube, like I said, I was uploading yesterday's video, and that took almost 5 hours. You know what I'm saying? I almost gave up on it, and it was going to be posted today. But, it's up there right now. So like I said, all y'all need to do is, like I'm doing right now, if you don't have a car, you don't have to be in a car. It could be in your house. Grab your iPhone, your Android, whatever it is that you got, press record and just research your niche. You know what I'm saying? I was saying that in my last video, research your niche. I got a lot of stuff that I'm about to upload is on the way. You know what I mean? So while I'm, tweaking it around with one of my partners that's going to help, you know what I'm saying, people make money for free. I don't want no information from nobody. I don't want nothing from nobody. You know what I'm saying? Because people be thinking, oh, yeah. No, I don't want, you see my history? You see how long I've been on here, even though I haven't been posting? Never did I ask anybody for any money or any information, nothing. I don't ask for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't need no money from nobody. I do this, you know what I'm saying, to show people, to help people out. And also, YouTube, is gonna pay me. If anybody that say they're not on here to get paid on YouTube is lying. Of course, some people enjoy it, but at the same time, we want to get paid. Anybody wants to get paid. That's why I got multiple pages. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 monetized. Like I said, one is on the way. You know what I'm saying? But I said, I don't care if 2 people watch it and 1 person comment. If you want to make money right now, comment hashtag SGM in the comments. Even if it's one person, I don't care. That's one person I can just focus on, and I have to focus on a bunch of people because nobody want to make money. You know what I'm saying? I know you tired of going to work, waking up every day going to work. I was there. I hated every minute of it. I know what I'm saying? I hate it for my people. Now I'm trying to convince them, like, yo, this is the wave. The social media is the wave. You know what I'm saying? I know it's not overnight, but I'm not telling you to quit your job. You know, keep doing it while you work. I was doing it. I was working. You know what I'm saying? At one point, I was afraid to let go of my job, but I'm crazy like that. So I'm like, you know what? The hell with this job. I saved up enough money to hold me down. And like I said, YouTube did the rest. And I took some of that money and invested it in other things like, you know, property. I had a clothing line, you know what I'm saying? Crypto, stocks. Like I said, with Dogecoin alone, you know what I'm saying? It went up. I didn't put that much in there, put enough. I made 18,000 out of that, took that out, and with a bunch of other joints, you know what I'm saying? But right now, like I said, I'm still implementing, you know what I'm saying? I still am not where I want to be. I'm comfortable, but I'm not where I want to be, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I want to make 50 to 100,000 off YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Not just only, even if I was making that money every month, I still want to just rely on it, you know what I'm saying? Look what happened to TikTok. They took it away from you, gave it back. That's like your boss taking your hours away, taking days away, giving it back. You know what I'm saying? They control your money. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be able to, you know, invest things into different places. But like I said, YouTube is giving opportunities to small creators. And like I said, I know it's buzzing all over the internet, it's buzzing all over YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And y'all need to get a piece of this. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you want to make money, hashtag SGM in the comments. And we'll talk about it. Like I said, it's trending all over the place, and this is the time to get in it. If you want to be a YouTuber, this is the time. Like I said, besides me talking about, you know what I'm saying, you being a YouTuber, I'm coming out with some things, some apps, and a bunch of stuff. It just need a little tweaking right now. I wasn't supposed to come back out right now because, like I said, I had a time I wasn't posting. But like I said, I decided to come back early, you know what I'm saying, and give y'all some gems. And hopefully, like I said, y'all get on the YouTube wave, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, find your niche, you know what I'm saying, and you'll see that you'll gradually grow. Like I said, I spoke about that in my last video. I have viral videos in all my niches, all of them. You know what I'm saying? Whether it was on here, on Instagram, or Snapchat, whatever. I had something go crazy on all my niches. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm just trying to implement that where it happens all the time, but I just haven't done it in a while on this channel because I ain't been posting. I've been posting elsewhere. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, the time is now. That's why I'm posting here now. I posted yesterday. If you ain't seen that video, go to my videos, check that out. You know what I'm saying? But let me inspire you again, man. Can I inspire y'all again? And this ain't even flexing. This ain't even flexing. Y'all seen? I just pulled it out. Pause. You know what I'm saying? The whole 10-pack right here. Like I said, I can't see the screen, so there you go. You see that whole 10-pack right there. Hold on, somebody will come in. I don't want to get robbed, baby. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get robbed. But here you go again. The 10-pack. You know what I'm saying? You see the blue faces. All blue faces, man. All blue faces. And it's not, like I said, it's not about flexing. You get what I'm saying? YouTube pay every 21st. I've been getting paid from YouTube for 7 years. You know what I'm saying? So I already know that. And I've been getting paid off 2 channels. You get what I'm saying? So you can do the same thing too. It's not like it's that hard. As long as you put in the work, it's gonna come gradually. Some people faster than others. Some people hit the algorithm, you know what I'm saying, a little bit faster. You gotta find out what works for you. And I found out what worked for me in this channel and the other channels. Whatever your niche is, you gotta find out what the people want to see on that channel. Like I said, if something don't work, just go see what you did in the video that did good. You know, and you gotta try to replicate that video every time, so then your views could go up. Because like I said, now with the updates, it's not even about subscribers no more. Nobody care about that. Because there's a lot of people, like I said, making money. Obviously, you got to have the threshold of 1,000 subscribers. But if you got the 1,000 and you got the 4 hours watch time, yo, sky's the limit, yo. Sky's the limit, man. I've spoken to plenty of people that they pulling out tens of $20,000s of dollars, and they don't even got that many subscribers. Because it's like I said, at the end of the day, if you got 1,000 or 1,500 subscribers, and all your videos is doing, let's say 100,000. Let's just say, for example, 100,000 to 500,000, 50,000, and you posting a video every day. I know people with those little channels that's making more than people that got 100,000 subscribers. And that's a fact. But like I said, because we all in the group talking about it, and then some of those people got that many subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Them people with subscribers, that big, even bigger than me, because this is the biggest channel I got. The other ones is in the middle. One is in the middle of this one. The other one is like way down, which is the one I'm trying to get monetized. And I got more money than all of them. You know what I'm saying? Not just because it's not just a YouTube thing. The things I implement, they depending on just this income. I'm doing things all over the place. I'm planting seeds all over the place, on and offline. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I want to show y'all. Like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get back to the app stuff that I've been doing. Like I said, I'm working on some new stuff. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the stuff. Remember, I've been doing this for 7 years. Things change with the apps I was already posting. It's not, everything's not the same. You get what I'm saying? So I can't just post that and think it's gonna work the same just because it make me hundreds of dollars back then. You know what I'm saying? I can't. I test all those out. It's not working the same. I'm looking at other stuff. I've been looking at it. That's why I didn't want to come back right away until I was sure with a couple things that I was working on. Then come back, and then we'll keep the ball rolling. And like I said, whoever want to watch. And that's that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not worrying about them. Don't get discouraged about no views and who's watching you. Focus on the people that's watching you, man. And one thing, if you got a YouTube channel, if you're going to start the YouTube channel, don't worry about telling your friends and your family. There's some people, very rare, that get a huge support from their friends and family. I'm one of the people that didn't, and that I know a lot of people I speak to don't. If they ask you, oh yeah, you're on YouTube, I got a YouTube channel, that's it. Let them ask you, yo, what's the YouTube channel I want to go see, I want to support. Because 9 times out of 10, you're going to tell everybody in school or your work, yeah, I got a YouTube channel, this and this and that, third, family, your best friends, and you're going to be disappointed because you ask them about they watch your video, they're not watching your video. You know what I'm saying? They're not, even when they do, they're not liking and comment. You don't see none of it, but there's going to be a stranger that's going to comment on your video, show you way more support. There's going to be probably plenty of strangers. And you're like, damn, I don't even know this person. This person is probably across the country, you know what I'm saying, across the state, and they always showing love. Why my family or my best friends and all that can't do the same thing for me? You get what I'm saying? But like I said, it's all about planting the seed and watching it grow. You can't skip steps. You know what I'm saying? A plant don't grow overnight. So like I said, it didn't grow overnight for me. And like I said, I was working a job. I hated every minute of it. You get what I'm saying? So I had to do something about it, and you could too. Like I said, whatever it is, but you can start right here with YouTube. Like I said, it's on easy mode. I see a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, doing good, doing these kind of videos, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I just said, let me jump into it early, you know what I'm saying, until I get what I'm getting done, and I could post it up for you, because you already know I started with, you know, with the apps and just showing you how to make money. But like I said, this is a way y'all can make money off YouTube, because I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it, and up to my first check is documented on here, which I showed in the last video. My first check, like I said, was, if y'all don't know about it, if y'all ain't watched the last video, y'all just don't know the history, period. My first check was almost $3,000. What $3,000 or close to $3,000 could do for you as your first check, even if you got a job or you don't got a job, and the times that we in now. You know what I'm saying? So I just showed you a 10-pack, you know what I'm saying, translation slogan, $10,000 just now. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, $10,000, I just took that out the bank. You get what I'm saying? And we got paid yesterday from YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, if I could do it, you could do it. I could never imagine me even making that, even making a penny off YouTube. I remember when I used to look at my YouTube analytics, and when I got monetized the first time, and I used to see like $13. And the threshold was $100. I remember it took me like 2-3 months to finally get $100, and I was happy to see that $100. You know what I'm saying? That's not on this channel. That was on my other channel. You get what I'm saying? Because this channel, like I said, it was almost $3,000 my first check. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't even know I had that $3,000 there, because when I was monetized, I didn't really know how to run this. And then they had sent me an email saying that I didn't verify something. They had to send me like a card with a code in the mail. I didn't know all that. So once they sent that and I did all that, at that time, that's how YouTube run. I looked, they let go of the money, and I seen it was almost $3,000. I almost passed out. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, damn, I was sitting in my crib making all these videos. I'm making money off the apps. I'm making money off the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's the sky's the limit from here. And we talking about, it's like 7 years later, man. 7 years later. You know what I'm saying? And I'm still here. Like I said, I already told y'all all the stuff that I've gotten, probably stuff I left out. You can look through my videos. You'll see me on vacation doing things. And that was then. So imagine things you haven't seen now, because I haven't posted. You know what I'm saying? Like, you imagine things I'm doing now. And it's only going to get better, because I'm not where I want to be. But like I said, y'all need to get on YouTube now, man. This is the time. Like I said, they never been pushing out the small creators. It's always the big ones. The big ones get together and they get favoritism all the time. That's why they stay up top and they don't push us. People like us was getting shadow banned. We stay at a certain point, but now you don't even know how many creators I've seen, small creators I've seen go up. A lot of these creators, they've been on YouTube for so many years and they make no money. They had almost a similar story as me from my other channel, because like I said, this channel, I've been good the whole time. You know, there's times it went up and down through the middle, but it was never really off like that. My other channel, it was. You know what I'm saying? I experienced that on that channel, but I wasn't making no money like that. You know what I'm saying? Then it finally got there. You know what I'm saying? So this is the time to get, like I said, to get on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Go watch my last video, you know, just to support, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, all that if you're not subscribed. Like I said, it's our year to go up. I'm just here to motivate y'all. That 10,000 wasn't to flex or nothing. I just want to show y'all that it's doable. I'm a regular person like you. I came from low income, the projects, the hood, and I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no different from y'all, man. Trust me, I am no different from y'all. I just woke up one day and I said, I'm tired of my boss. I'm tired of living in the projects. I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of seeing everybody have fun on social media. It's my time, you know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to be a part of the SGM family, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and let's go up all 2025, man. Peace. But don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.